Starting your day with a nutritious breakfast is key to supporting weight loss. Here are 10 paragraphs with tips and recipes for a weight loss friendly breakfast. High protein start. Begin your day with a protein packed breakfast to help control appetite and keep you feeling full. Eggs, Greek yogurt, and lean meats are excellent sources of protein. Fiber-rich choices. Opt for fiber-rich foods like whole grains, oats, and fruits. Fiber helps promote satiety, aids digestion, and can contribute to weight loss. Consider a bowl of oatmeal with berries for a delicious and filling option. Healthy fats. Include sources of healthy fats in your breakfast to enhance flavor and satisfaction. Avocado, nuts, and seeds are excellent choices. Try adding sliced avocado to whole grain toast or sprinkling chia seeds on yogurt. Vegetables for volume. Incorporate vegetables into your breakfast for added volume and nutrients with minimal calories. Add spinach or tomatoes to an omelet or blend a green smoothie with kale, cucumber, and a touch of fruit for sweetness. Limit added sugars. Minimize added sugars in your breakfast to avoid unnecessary calories. Choose whole fruits for natural sweetness or opt for unsweetened alternatives when selecting yogurt or cereal. Hydration is key. Start your morning with a glass of water to stay hydrated. Sometimes our bodies can confuse thirst with hunger, so ensuring proper hydration may help control unnecessary snacking. Meal prep for convenience. Plan and prep your breakfast in advance to avoid reaching for unhealthy options on busy mornings. Overnight oats, pre-portioned smoothie ingredients, or a frittata that can be reheated are great choices. Mindful eating. Take time to savor your breakfast. Eating mindfully can help you recognize when you're full, preventing overeating. Avoid rushing through your meal to better tune into your body's signals. Experiment with spices. Enhance the flavor of your breakfast without extra calories by experimenting with spices. Cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla extract can add sweetness without the need for excessive sugar. Balanced plate. Aim for a balanced breakfast with a combination of protein, carbohydrates, and fats. This balance provides sustained energy and keeps you feeling satisfied until your next meal. Remember, the key to successful weight loss is making sustainable lifestyle changes. These breakfast tips and recipes can be a great foundation for a healthy and satisfying start to your day on your weight loss journey. Adjust portion sizes based on your individual needs and preferences.